I'm also looking for a cleaning lady.
My neighbor's a cleaning lady.
Can she clean the house?
I'm sure she can.
I want her to mop and sweep the floor.
Do you want her to clean the windows?
Yes, I want her to clean the windows.
How about the bathroom?
I also want her to clean the bathroom.
How about the ceiling fans?
I want her to dust the ceiling fans too. She is a cleaning lady. Cleaning houses is her job. She is a cleaning lady. Repeat. Very good. Cleaning lady. Pronunciation. Cleaning lady. K, l, kl, e, clee. Clean. E, cleany. Cleaning. Cleaning. Repeat. Cleaning lady. O, a, lay. D, laid. E, lady. Lady. Cleaning lady. Cleaning lady. Repeat. Cleaning lady. Again. Very good. Let's practice. Are you a cleaning lady?
No, I'm not a cleaning lady.
Is she a cleaning lady?
Yes, she's a cleaning lady.
Very good. Are you a cleaning lady? Respond. Is she a cleaning lady? Very good. A neighbor. A neighbor. One person. A neighbor. This is my house. I live here. They live in this house. They live in this house. They are my neighbors. My neighbors are nice. Neighbor. Repeat. Very good. Neighbor. Pronunciation. A. Nay. B. Nabe. Neighbor. Neighbor. Repeat. Neighbor. Again. Very good. Let's practice. Who are they?
They are my neighbors.
Are they good neighbors?
Yes, they are good neighbors.
Very good. Who are they? Respond. Are they good neighbors? Respond. Very good. What are they doing?
They're talking.
Are they neighbors?
Yes, they're neighbors.
What are they doing? Respond. Are they neighbors? Respond. Very good. Mop. Action, mop. She is mopping the floor. Mopping the floor. Repeat. Very good. Mop. Pronunciation. Ah. Ma. P. Mop. 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 Very good. Let's practice. What is she doing?
She's mopping the floor.
Very good. What is she doing? Respond. Very good. How often do you mop the floor?
I mop the floor once a week.
How often do you mop the floor? Respond. Very good. When are you going to mop the floor?
I'm going to mop the floor tomorrow.
When are you going to mop the floor? Respond. Very good. Action. Sweep. Sweep. He is sweeping the floor. Sweeping the floor. Repeat. Very good. Sweep. S. W. Sw. E. Sweep. Sweep. P. Sweep. 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 Very good. Let's practice. What is she doing?
She's sweeping the floor.
What is she doing? Respond. Very good. How often do you sweep the floor?
I sweep the floor twice a week.
How often do you sweep the floor? Very good. When are you going to sweep the floor?
I'm going to sweep the floor tomorrow.
When are you going to sweep the floor? Respond. Very good. Clean the windows. She is cleaning the windows. Cleaning the windows. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. How often do you clean the windows?
I clean the windows twice a year.
How often do you clean the windows? Very good. When are you going to clean the windows?
I'm going to clean the windows tomorrow.
When are you going to clean the windows? Very good. When is she going to clean the windows?
She's going to clean the windows today.
When is she going to clean the windows? Very good. This is a fan. The fan is on the ceiling. So, this is a ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. Repeat. Very good. Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. Ceiling. S. E. C. O. Seal. E. Sealy. Ceiling. Ceiling. Repeat. Ceiling fan. Fan. Fa. Fan. 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 Repeat. Fan. Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. Very good. Let's practice. Is there a ceiling fan in the living room?
Yes, there is a ceiling fan in the living room.
Is there a ceiling fan in the living room? Respond. Very good. How many ceiling fans are there in the house?
There are 3 ceiling fans in the house.
How many ceiling fans are there in the house? Respond. Very good. Dust the ceiling fan. To clean the dust off the ceiling fan, we use the action dust. Dust is the action, the verb, to clean the ceiling fan. I need to dust the ceiling fan. It's very dirty. Dust the ceiling fan. Action, dust. D. D. S. Dust. T. Dust. Dust. Repeat. Dust. Dust the ceiling fan. When you say dust the sounds go together. You don't hear the t. No, dust the together. Dust the ceiling fan. Dust the ceiling fan. Repeat. Again, dust the ceiling fan. Very good. Let's practice. How often do you dust the ceiling fan?
I dust the ceiling fan twice a year.
How often do you dust the ceiling fan? Very good. When are you going to dust the ceiling fan?
I'm going to dust the ceiling fan tomorrow.
When are you going to dust the ceiling fan? Respond. Very good. When is he going to dust the ceiling fan?
He is going to dust the ceiling fan today.
When is he going to dust the ceiling fan? Respond. Very good. What do you want me to do?
I want you to mop the floor.
What do you want me to do? Respond. Very good. What do you want me to do?
I want you to sweep the floor.
What do you want me to do? Very good. Do you want her to sweep the floor?
Yes, I want her to sweep the floor.
Do you want her to sweep the floor? Respond. Very good. When do you want her to sweep the floor?
I want her to sweep the floor today.
When do you want her to sweep the floor? Respond. Very good. What do you want her to do?
I want her to clean the windows.
What do you want her to do? Respond. Very good. When do you want her to clean the windows?
I want her to clean the windows this weekend.
When do you want her to clean the windows? Very good. What do you want him to do?
I want him to dust the ceiling fan.
What do you want him to do? Respond. Very good. When do you want him to dust the ceiling fan?
I want him to dust the ceiling fan today.
When do you want him to dust the ceiling fan? Respond. Very good. I'm also looking for a cleaning lady.
My neighbor's a cleaning lady.
Can she clean the house?
I'm sure she can.
I want her to mop and sweep the floor.
Do you want her to clean the windows?
Yes, I want her to clean the windows.
How about the bathroom?
I also want her to clean the bathroom.
How about the ceiling fans?
I want her to dust the ceiling fans too. I'm also looking for a cleaning lady.
My neighbor's a cleaning lady.
Can she clean the house?
I'm sure she can.
I want her to mop and sweep the floor.
Do you want her to clean the windows?
Yes, I want her to clean the windows.
How about the bathroom?
I also want her to clean the bathroom.
How about the ceiling fans?
I want her to dust the ceiling fans too.